What's up sa inyo mga tropa? At tayo ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Okay, tonight. Naan natin. Wala guys, natatakot ako.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you.
Unti lang, baka magulat ka naman
audio
ako dito.
training cassettes. Dude, these are like
Pakinggan lang natin
prehistoric.
guys.
I think they were like training
Yung
tapes
kamay ni
for like
Bonnie,
other
yung
employees
ulo
or
niya,
something
Toy
like that.
Chi, kasi
So, I thought we could like
ano,
have them
sila tas
playing
Balloon Boy,
like
tas si
over the speakers
Mango.
as people walk through the attraction.
Oh my
Dude, that
gosh,
makes it
God,
feel
perfect.
legit, man.
Pero
But
ang
I have an
dumi,
even
okay.
better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this.
Night 2 na
We
ba
found
to?
one.
Posible?
A real one.
Ngayon
Gotta go,
natatakot
man.
na ako. Baka dito na
Well,
siya.
look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it.
Ah!
Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man.
Ay.
Hello? Hello?
In.
Welcome to your new career as a performer, entertainer, for Freddy Fazbear's
Scared.
These tapes will provide you with much
Guys,
needed
I'm
information on how to
scared.
handle
May ilaw na. Natatakot na
mascot
ako.
costume. Right now, we have two specially
Oh my
designed
God, I
suits
survived.
that double as both animatronic and suit.
Guys,
Please pay close
nakakaka...
attention
Ah,
while learning how to
sino
operate
yan?
these suits, as
May
accidents,
nakasilip
injury,
sa...
death, irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, let's discuss how to operate the mascots when they are in
I'm
animatronic form.
scared.
For ease of operation, the animatronics are set to
Oh my
turn
God,
and
sino
walk
ba
towards
to?
sound
Si
cues.
Didi?
This is
Nightmare
an hands-free
Didi.
approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment.
Oh my God, ang ingay. Shit. Ang nakakatakot lang dito ito, oh. Sino ba yun?
Firmly the hand crank provided by the
Guys,
manufacturer.
nakakagulat.
Turning the crank will recoil and compress the
God, sino ba
animatronic
yun?
parts around the sides of the suit, providing room to climb inside.
Oh my gosh,
Please make
guys.
sure that spring locks are fast
I'm
and tight to
scared.
ensure the animatronic devices
Napakadilim.
remain fixed. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile.
Napakadilim.
You are the
Oh my
face of
God.
Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Sticking at your cat. Oh my God! Freddy Fazbear. I see Springtrap ba to? This is Springtrap. Tingin. Natatakot ako. Kung dito si Pat ng Mangul. Nakakagulat si Didi. Nightmare Didi! Is that you, Patnum? Nightmare Didi? Patnum. I'm scared. Oh my God, Springtrap. Ayan ka na naman. Scared mo na naman ako. Dalawa pa kayo. You're scared na, Springtrap. You again. Ala, tatakot na ako. Ah! Woo! Scared na ako. Jump scare. Calm down. It's not you. Oh my God, Springtrap, ikaw na naman. Baka biglang mawala si Springtrap. Uy, gumagalaw siya. Huwag kang didilim. Mawawala si Springtrap. Iniingatan ko to. Matapang to. Pag nawala lang yan isasapit ko to. Nawala na sa Springtrap. Ayun na siya! Nakasilip na sa bintana. May sumisilip sa bintana. Nananagan niya ako. Natakot na ako, guys. May sumilip sa bintana. Yan. Scared na ako. Sete! Talo na naman tayo. So hanggat dito lang tayo, game over. Tatalo tayo lagi, kahit na string trap. Bye-bye!